McDonald's. What brings you to the London Boat Roast Festival?
This cup of coffee. Because this fella, he works in London Fields Market on a Saturday, and he says that he's doing the festival today at the Dragon Festival in King Albert. What do they call this place?
London Regatta Centre.
London Regatta Centre. So I've never been here, so I thought I'd come and see. And I'm amazed when I stand over there. I saw an airplane taking off. I wonder, what the hell is this? I saw the water. It's an unusual place to have an airplane taking off over, you know. So that's why I'm here, basically, to enjoy this cup of coffee and to moral support for my fella friend.
What's the energy like here?
The energy. All these energies are all good. It's all good. It's all good. Nice summer day. No rain, no snow. Gotta enjoy it, you know. Lovely.
And would you come back again?
Next year, definitely. Now that I know I like Chinese culture, people very much from time, you know. And I base that on the historical type of thing, you know. I find them quite amicable people, you know.